G'day YouTube, welcome to another Aussie Blue Staffy video. It's time to get going, so watch on, enjoy, sit back, relax, let's go. Echo's growing up huge. He's playing with his little toy, absolutely loves it. It's a fantastic day outside, watch him go. If you wonder how he gets so big, stay tuned and you'll finally get to see how he does it. Back up on the porch, resting, loves to spend his time out here, watching on. Check out his Coco the Chihuahua, heads downtown, has a bit of fun at a street fair.
Congratulations to everyone involved, so brilliant to see. The weather, perfect finally, like we're actually moving into a summer here, so it's going to be brilliant. I'm going to say that I once saw a dragon when I was 13 years old at a police youth citizen centre, and I think I played the town.
Of course, Backup has to try and steal all the attention, then act like a good boy. Watch on as Echo gets stuck into this bone. Absolutely loves it. Now there's only one way to get this boy big, some good tucker, and he absolutely loves it. So we're feeding him some good bones, some good raw meat, some good kibble, loves his eggs. Look at him, absolutely giant. Spends his arvos relaxing, chewing on a big piece of meat and enjoying the sunny weather. Don't be shy, like, subscribe, tap the notification button, check out our other videos, and we'll keep going. Echo's found his spot. He'll be here for a while. This boy will be buggered after tucker. As Echo chews away, let's head back to Coco, downtown. Let's see what she's doing.
One more time, let's move on. What a way to start the night. Thanks, guys. It is great to be back in Cleveland. Last February 2019.
Well, thanks for watching another Aussie Blue Staffy video. Remember, like, subscribe, tap the notification buttons, check out all our videos, help the channel grow. And until next time, see ya.